what happened inside court and the life imprisonment that has been handed out to the 5 convicts. Megha.
Well, at this moment, what I can tell you is that, the verdict, of course, is still being read out. But in the first case of the Shakti Mills, which was the case of the receptionist who was raped by the same set of accused on 31st of July, just almost a month before the photojournalist incident happened inside the Shakti Mills case, all the 5 accused have, in fact, now been sentenced to life imprisonment, which the judge very clearly read out and said that this is imprisonment till the natural life ends. So this is they are going to be in the jail for all their life. That is what the judge has clearly read out in terms of the verdict in the Shakti Mills case.
Right, Megha, it was in fact Ujjwal Nikam fighting the case as a special public prosecutor, seeking the maximum punishment for these, because 3 out of them are actually multiple accused. They have been convicted in both the cases. Megha?
Right now, the verdict in the second case, of course, is being read out. What we do understand, of course, it's the same case. Both of them that have been clubbed together. It's the same set of prosecution. It's the same defense, since the accused are the same. The verdict in the first case has come out, and this is the Shakti Mills case, where the first rape in the Shakti Mills case, which has been registered and was tried in this court. In that case, the verdict has come out, and the verdict is going to be similar in the second one, because everything is same, right from the evidence to the of course the prosecution and the defense. Almost there are overlapping witnesses also. So the first verdict has come out, in which all the 5 accused have been held guilty. They were of course held yesterday and today when the sentencing, the arguments of the sentencing got over. The verdict was pronounced by the special judge, and she read out saying that she cannot in any way try and undermine the fact that the crime reeked of depravity as far as the criminals were concerned, and that what cannot take into consideration the pleas of the accused, the pleas that were made that these people come from the weaker and the lower section of the society, hence the punishments should be the minimum, that these people are also as much a victim of the system because they are very poor and they have no access to decent facilities. They have easy access to porn. That is probably one of the reasons why their mind turned this way, and that one must also consider, these were the pleas from the side of the defendant. One must also consider that one of them has 2 young children back home and he is the sole breadwinner. The other one has an old mother back home, and the third one is very, very poor, and he is the only person earning in the family. The judge did not wish to in fact accommodate any of these pleas that were given out by the lawyers of the accused, and said in no way can one undermine the seriousness of this crime. It is an extremely serious crime, and that a message should be sent out to all those all those concerned, rather this particular judgment should also act as a deterrent, and hence the court just has 2 options in front of them. The first, of course, is the minimum punishment is of 20 years and the maximum is for life. She kept on repeating that the court has just 2 options of 20 years and of imprisonment, sending them to prison for the entire life. And considering the seriousness of this particular crime, the court has no option but has decided to sentence them for life, which is, she clarified in the court that these 5 accused will be sent for a jail term till their natural life ends. So they will be in the jail for all their lives. That's the verdict coming out in the first Shakti Mills rape case.